Hello and welcome to lasa.africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly on our CASA 10C book. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Proceeding to our first step, we'll be needing parts A, 2 parts E, 1 part I, and 6 of our number 1 self-tapping screws. Let's go ahead and install for you now. For our next step, we'll be needing board number B, as well as 2 parts number 1, 4 parts number 2, 4 parts number 3, and 4 parts number 4. Let's go ahead and show you how to assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing board number L. We'll be needing 4 parts number 2, 4 parts number 3, and 4 parts number 4. Let's go ahead and show you how to assemble them. For our next step, we'll be needing boards J and K, as well as 4 parts number 3 and 4 parts number 4. Let's go ahead and assemble. On our next step, we'll be needing 1 part F and 4 parts number 1. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts G's, 4 parts 3, and 4 parts number 4. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing part C and 6 parts number 2 and 6 parts number 3. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Alright, for our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts number 1 and 4 parts number 4. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part I, 1 part G, 1 part E, and 6 number 3s, as well as 6 number 4s. Let's go ahead and assemble. Right, for our next step, we'll need part number D, as well as 2 number 3s and 2 number 2s. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts of a number 1 and 2 parts of our number 4. Let's go ahead now. For our next step, we'll be needing a board E and a board H, as well as 4 of our number 1 screws, 2 of our number 3, and 2 of our number 4. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Next, we'll be installing the feet, part number 9. Let's go ahead and show you the install. For our last step, we'll be using part number 7 and part number 8. These will just be to cover the screws. We'll go ahead now and show you where they are positioned. Please refer to our manual for the various installation of the anti-tipping device. Thank you so much for watching along our CASA 10C book assembly. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and reviews. Thank you.